We're not Ray, you gotta scream and say we.
Come on.
It's my turn now.
Wow, really?
That was a short turn.
My turn now. Daddy, sit tight. No,
Are you in?
yes,
You holding on?
yep. Now hold me. Now pull me really high.
Okay, hold on tight. As tight as you can.
Okay.
Lock on.
Okay. Oh, hold on.
Rex is like, I don't know what to do.